Assalamu alaikum students of grade 2. It's me your teacher Miss Asma. How are you all? I hope you all are good. So today is your social studies class and today we are going to start the reading of unit number 5, Life in Oxford. So let's start. Unit number 5, Life in Oxford, and the first topic is 5.1, A Family in Oxford. Hi, my name is Aisha, and this is Leo, my lion. As you can see here, she is Aisha, and it's her toy, the lion called Leo, and he is an old toy, but I love him. I live in Oxford, a city in the UK, and I live with my mother, father, brother, and sister. I was born in Oxford, but long before I was born, my grandparents came to the UK from Pakistan, right? Now, here I am with my big sister Amna. As you can see here, now it's autumn, the leaves are turning yellow and it's getting cold, so we are wearing thick coats. Right, now move the next topic, 5.2, countries, continents, and oceans. So this is the map of our world and it shows Pakistan and the United Kingdom, UK for short. UK is the short form of United Kingdom. So this is the map of our world and you can see different oceans and continents in this map. There are 7 continents and there are 5 oceans, right? So Pakistan is a country and it is in the continent of Asia. Where is Asia? This is Asia, and Pakistan is in the continent of Asia, right? This is Pakistan. So the UK is a country too, and it is in the continent of Europe. Now where is UK? UK is in the continent of Europe, right? Now what is a continent? A continent is a big area of land, right? Most continents have a lot of countries in them, and the blue areas on the map show water. The blue areas on the map show the water, and these are the oceans. And what is an ocean? A big area of water is called an ocean, right? So now we are going to read the names of oceans. This is a Pacific Ocean, which is the greatest and largest ocean, then Atlantic Ocean, then this is Indian Ocean, this is Southern Ocean, and this is there is also an Arctic Ocean. And what are the names of the continents? This is North America, this is South America, then this is Europe, this is Africa, this is Asia where Pakistan is situated, and this is Oceania, right? So now move to the next page. The next topic is 5.3, having fun in Oxford. Here are some things Aisha's family do for fun, and it includes running, playing with Leo, and gardening. So here she's in the garden, right, as you can see here. And Aisha's big sister Amna likes playing on her scooter, doing tricks with a hula hoop, and she likes too. As you can see here, she is doing tricks with the hula hoop, and right, and she likes reading too. And Aisha's brother Afzal likes using his computer to find out about cars, and he also likes riding his bicycle, right? Now move to the next topic, 5.4, an Oxford school. So here are some things children do at Aisha's school, like painting pictures, doing science experiments, making shape patterns as you all made in the maths class, and reading books, learning about the world with the help of the globe and with the help of the map, and having fun outside. So there are the some things children do at Aisha's school. The next topic is 5.5, Old Oxford. Oxford is a famous city because it is old and very beautiful, and many buildings are hundreds of years old. That's why it is an oldest city, right? And this is a college where students came to study, right? This is a college in Oxford where students came to study, and it is 500 years old. It has a huge staircase, and a Harry Potter film was made there. You all watched that film. So Harry Potter, and that film, the Harry Potter, made there. It is a college in Oxford which is very old, about 500 years old, right? So in some of the colleges there are tall windows made of the colored glass. So this one is 700 years old, right? and the lady was carved on a nearby wall, as you can see here, right? Now move to the next page. 5.6, old and modern Oxford. Oxford is an old city, but parts of it are modern, right? So this church is 900 years old. The house is 400 years old, right? This church is 900 years old, and the house is the 400 years old, and the restaurants and shops below and the house are only 10 years old, as you can see here, right? And this is a modern supermarket, right? And people drive there and buy everything they need, all in one shop. So Oxford is basically an old city, but parts of it are modern, right? Now move to the next topic, next page. Each year there are new buildings. Soon there will be a new block of offices. All places change over time, right? So this is your today's work. Hope you understand it. Now what you have to do, you have to read this chapter, and that's it. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.